Welcome to video 2 in our tutorial series on setting up your business. After you have created your thank you page, you want to go back to your toolbox tab and click the auto responder button. This will take you to the All-in-One Profits auto responder. This is a very, very easy system to use. When you go to your autoresponder, the first screen that you will see is a list of the campaigns you have created. If you're new to All-in-One Profits, you won't have any campaigns here. But at the bottom of each page is a place where you can start a new campaign. You'll enter your campaign ID, and you might put your online empire here. You can put your campaign name, which can be your name or your online empire. Then you will enter your campaign email address. This is your correspondence email that you want to make available to your prospects and possible future customers. You will enter that here. After you have done this, it will appear just as this line does. This would be your campaign ID. This will be your campaign name. And this will be your email. To create a campaign, you simply enter the information in these fields that is required and click Submit. Since I've already created a campaign for this video, I'm not going to repeat that process. It's fairly simple. I think you can pretty much get that from what we've shared so far. Once you have created that campaign, you want to click on the Go button in the right-hand column to activate it so that you can edit it. And that is what we'll do now. We will click Go. The first thing you want to do at this point is go to the Prospects tab. If you scroll to the bottom of the listed tabs here, you will see a box that says HTML form. You're going to want to click this box and capture the form code that goes along with this campaign. That is all you will need to do. You will not need to copy the entire form code. The pages are pre-built with the code in them. So all you need to do is click on HTML form. At the top of the page, it will say for pre-made page templates that have a pre-made form on it, just ask for the campaign ID. The campaign ID for this campaign is, and it gives me a number. You will copy that number and save it to a document because you will need it later. And we have a blank document set up here where we're simply saving our information, and it's a good idea for you to do the same thing as well. So we are going to copy and paste this number into our form here. The next step we want to do after you have done this, as we noted earlier, you saved your thank you page. Okay, so we want to go back to autoresponders and edit autoresponders. This is where you will build your message templates. We will get into that later. I just wanted to show you this for now. This is how you build your messages. It's very, very easy. But we'll get into more detail on that later. Go over to Campaigns and click Edit Campaigns. Whatever campaign you have active should show up here at the top of the page. And you activate those campaigns, as I said before, by clicking the Go button in the right-hand column. This campaign is already active, but I need to edit it so that my thank you page connects to my autoresponder. It says at the bottom, to edit your campaign, set the language for the opt-in mail or set a custom opt-in confirm and welcome page. That's what we're going to do. Activate the campaign first by selecting Go, and then click here. It says to edit. This is fairly small print. That's why I'm walking you through this. So we're going to click here. This gives us the details on the campaign. What we want to do is edit this sign up URL right here, this section. This is where the subscriber goes after filling in the sign up form. So what we want to do is get the thank you page URL address that we created. We're going to take this. We are going to copy it. And we are going to paste it right here. Then you want to select change to make sure that is saved. Once you've selected change, that page should be saved in the sign up URL slot right there. That's all we're going to do in this step. In the next step, we'll get into building your capture pages and show you how these link together.